All right, Fred, come on, go get the ball. Go get the ball, come on, get the ball. Good girl. Good job. Good girl. Good job. Go back over to safety. Relative safety over there. Good girl. Good job, Stinky. That's a pretty good job. I'm pretty impressed. I gotta admit, that's pretty impressive. Sit. Hey, sit. 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 Good girl. You're pretty awesome. Good job. Pretty amazing. You gonna get the ball again? Hey, go get the ball. Good girl. Good job, kiddo. It's over there. There you go. Good job. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? Here. One more time. Let me have it. Go get it. Get it. Go get the ball. Good girl, Fred. That's pretty awesome. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Want to do it again? Want to do it one more time? Come on, let me have it. We can do it one more time. Come on, go get it. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. The snorting noises are spectacular. I love it. Good girl. Good job, kiddo. Good job. That's pretty darn good. I gotta admit, I'm pretty stoked with that. Good girl. Good girl. Good job.